Hello students, welcome back to Banking Planet and we are here with another banking awareness session. So let's start our session. In this session, I am going to discuss about call money market, notice money market and term money market. Now what are these terms call money, notice money and term money? Before we start discussion on these terms, I would like to ask you to share the session as much as you can so that maximum students can get benefited. Only you can increase the reach of this session. What I can do is only to make interactive and knowledgeable session. So please do share this session, and who came first time, please subscribe the session. So let's back to our topic, banking terms. Call money market. Call money market is the borrowing or lending of funds for one day. Call money market is the borrowing or lending of funds for one day. Types of market, one is capital market and other is money market, and these three terms, call money, notice money and term money, comes under money market. Now what is the difference between capital market and money market? I am explaining you in nutshell that capital market is long term market and regulated by it is regulated by SEBI, and money market is short term market and regulated by RBI. Clear to you? Now what is this short term? The duration of time, the duration of time from one day to 364 days is called short term market, and money market always deal in short term period, and the short term period is 1 to 364 days, right? Okay, let's move. So come back to this call money market. If the money is taken for one day, it is called call money. If the money taken for 2 days to 14 days, 2 days to 14 days, it is termed as notice money. It is termed as notice money. And if money is taken for more than 14 days, it is termed as term money. Now who can borrow on these terms, notice money and call money and term money? Basically, call money, notice money, term money are instruments of money market. These three are instruments of money market. Now, to understand these three terms, you have to understand interbank rate. Interbank rate. By understanding this interbank rate, you can get easily understand these three terms. Okay. Now, what is this interbank rate? In US, in US, it is termed as federal fund rate. Federal fund rate. In UK, it is termed as LIBOR. LIBOR, and in India, it is termed as MIBOR. What is the full form of LIBOR? MIBOR LIBOR is London Interbank Offer Rate and MIBOR is Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. Now, before going in depth, I would like to say that you all have to note it down and you have to mug up full form of these two terms. Many times questions were asked about full forms and will be asked. Examiner can put what I stands for in LIBOR or what B stands for in MIBOR. So you have to mug up it. Now back to the call money. What happens? RBI used to put many restrictions on banks. RBI used to put many restrictions on banks, and like they have to maintain SLR, CRR, etc. And in order to meet these reserve requirements, overnight borrowing is done by banks. Now from here we can get to know that banks borrow on call money, notice money and term money. And then why banks borrow on this call money, notice money and term money? When banks fails to maintain these reserve requirements, they went to another bank. See example, if suppose it is a bank and this is another bank. Okay, now he is the MD of bank and this bank fails to maintain SLR. Now he went to another bank. For example, now he went to another bank, the bank which has excess amount of XLR, and he asked it to lend him some money. Now here question arises, what is SLR? What is SLR? Have some patience, we will come to SLR also, but before we complete our example, now he went to this bank and this bank which has excess XLR and he borrows from this bank. Generally borrowing is done on call money for 1 day. He borrows SLR. I am going to explain you SLR. SLR is a liability. SLR is a liability which banks have to maintain. Itself in the form of securities, government securities, gold, cash, etc., bonds, and when they fails to maintain it, they went to another bank to borrow money to meet this reserve requirement, and on which rate they borrow money, that is called call money, notice money and term money. When interest is imposed on the borrowing 1 day, for 1 day it is called call money. When for 42 to 14 days it is called notice money, and when for more than 14 days it is called term money. I hope I hope this is clear to you, and if it is clear, type yes in the comment box. That was it for today. Please keep watching, keep sharing, keep growing. Stay blessed. This is Ria signing off.